Absa Bank Uganda has reported a growth in revenue by Uganda shilling 64 billion, amounting to 15.6% growth from the previous year and resulting in a profit after tax of 146 billion shillings. And this is according to the financial results for the year ended December 2023.
The growth in profit is attributed largely by the revenue growth from both funded and non-funded income. And like I said, largely driven by business recovery and improved economic environment. The bank, in addition, realized a growth of 4.9% in customer loans and advances, closing the year 2023 at 1.78 trillion Ugandan shillings. That is a growth of around 200 billion year on year.
The bank registered a growth in revenue by 64 billion shillings, 146 billion shillings in profit after tax, a 12.9% growth in net customer loans standing at 1.7 trillion shillings, and a 16.3% growth in customer deposits amounting to 2.45 trillion shillings.
But we also did see good traction in terms of business banking, and this is where the SME segment falls. We've seen continued lending in that direction, and the engagements continue. I think in terms of retail, the retail customer is still cautious, trying to ensure that there is stability and caution. So we have seen growth in that area, but in comparison to the others, I think the corporate or wholesale side seemingly is doing much better.
Absa's performance is underpinned by the 5.2% growth in the economy in 2023 amid various macroeconomic challenges, including underlying inflationary pressures.
One of the things that we pride the Ugandan financial market sector for is proactiveness of the regulator. If you recall, in the month of March, as a response to the currency fluctuations, unprecedented currency fluctuations, we saw around 5% in February. The regulator moved quite swiftly to move the CBR rate up to 10%, and that was necessary in order to ensure there was financial stability in the financial markets.
The 2023 Absa Africa Financial Markets Index ranked Uganda as the highest growing financial market within the East African region and the fourth in the African continent. Dennis Igoa for UBC Business.